Good morning! Hi everyone! Today is the 7th of February 2024. Allow me to tell you about the story of this dress. So on the weekend, I decided to declutter my wardrobe kasi para naman merong space for new things at dinodonate ko yung mga gamit ko na hindi ko na masyadong ginagamit doon sa Goodwill or second-hand shop. At if you'd like to ask me why hindi ko na lang ipapabalik-bayan back sa Pilipinas, mahal po kasi ang bayad at parang hindi nila magugustuhan yung mga gamit ko dito guys. So, sa op shop na lang. At kung magpapadala man ako doon sa Pinas ay pera na lang para they can choose whatever they wanna buy. To be honest, I still wanted to keep some of my things pero maliit lang po yung bahay ko kaya kailangan ko na talagang magbabawas ng mga gamit. And when I decluttered, nahalungkat ko po yung luma kong damit sa SM. Here at SM, we've got it all for you. Can earn! So that was 2008 when I worked at SM Department Store sa Marilao, Bulacan. Ako po'y tuwang-tuwa kasi dalawa pong uniforms ang nadala ko dito sa Australia at kasyang-kasya na po sa aking panganay. Stephanie is nearly 11 and she's almost as tall as May. And I'm very surprised kasi kasya ko pa din. Ibig sabihin, tumaba lang siguro ako ng konti. Nagkalaman lang ng konti, guys. Imagine that. That was 16 years ago nung nagtrabaho ako doon sa SM. And I'm so happy na nadala ko dito yung aking mga uniforms para for future memories. And I can show this to my children. Actually, not to be proud of, nakatanggap po ako ng Certificate of Recognition when I was working there. Ito siya, guys. Certificate of Recognition for providing the ultimate shopping experience on August 20th, 2008. At gustong-gusto ko po magpapasalamat sa mga taong tumulong sa akin dati, lalong-lalo na po sa mga Makasinag family. Taos puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa pagkupkup niyo po sa akin. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe. Bye!
Here at